Why are you busy today?
I have a lot of work today.
Why are you busy today?
I have a lot of work today.
Why did you come early?
Because I'm free.
Why did you come early?
Because I'm free.
Why don't we go dancing?
I don't know.
Why don't we go dancing?
I don't know.
Why did you buy a flower?
This flower is for my boyfriend.
Why did you buy a flower?
This flower is for my boyfriend.
Why did you get so angry?
Because he abused me.
Why don't we order pizza?
Because I'm full, I need a cup of coffee.
Why don't we take a taxi?
Because I have a car.
Why don't we share a room?
Because you're a boy and I'm a girl.
Why are you angry with him?
Because she always annoys me.
Why are you looking so sad?
Because I'm little sick.
Why are you so tired today?
Because I have worked hard today.
Why do you need this job?
Because I'm jobless.
Why did she come home early?
Because her mother is very sick.
Why don't we ask his advice?
Because he is a bad person.
Why don't have dinner with us?
Because my mother waiting for me.
Why are you drying your hair?
Because my hair is wet.
Why did you come home so late?
Because I went to the market for shopping.
Why didn't you dance with him?
Because she can't dance.
Why do you want to be a nurse?
Because it is a good service work.
Why don't you give up smoking?
I'm trying, but can't quit smoking.
Why were you absent yesterday?
Because yesterday was Sunday.
Why can't I sing like they can?
Because you don't practice regularly.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Because my mother wants me to serve people.
Why do you want to leave today?
Because I love to sleep with my mother.
Why were you late this morning?
Because I woke up late in the morning.
Do you want to see it again?
No, because it's ugly.
Why don't you take her to the doctor?
Because she isn't sick.
What do you think of it?
It's totally wrong.
Do I look that bad?
No, you are so handsome.
Why did you do all this?
Because he is my enemy.
Why does he want to cover himself so much?
I think he is a criminal.
It's too expensive.
I can give you a 15% discount.
I failed again.
Don't give up.
It's your turn.
I'm not ready yet.
Do you want me to get her?
No, because I love you.
Where do you work?
I'm a teacher at Oxford University.
Where do you work?
I'm a teacher at Oxford University.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you know she is married?
I don't know if he's married.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I do.
I never thought I could do it.
Really, you are intelligent.
Could you help me with this?
Yes, I'll do the best I can.
Should I do more in my role?
Yes, of course.
Can I do more in my role?
Sure.
This is a good meal. What do you think?
Assuredly right.
But how do you do?
I'll do it with my brother.
Don't let him go to London.
Okay, you come soon.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Do you know that?
Yes, I know the details.
Do you know that?
Yes, I know the details.
Do you want all this?
No, don't.
Do you want all this?
No, don't.
Can you decide what to do next?
Yes, I'll help my mother.
How could he do such a thing to his own children?
I don't know.
Do you want to tell me about it?
Yes, before knowing the details, then invest.
Do you have to go back right away?
What is the problem?
How many dollars do you have?
I think about $150.
How do you feel today?
I feel good today.
How do you feel today?
I feel good today.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I feel love eating.
Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I feel love eating.
Where do you work?
I work at Microsoft.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometimes, but not always.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Maybe, but I'm not sure.
What do you do in Japan?
I have a business in Japan.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I have finished my homework.
Do you have any brothers?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Do you have many friends?
Yeah, I have many friends, but 1 best friend.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I have completed a driving course.
Do you often eat granola?
No, sometimes.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to buy a laptop.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play sports on Sundays.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 7 p.m.
Who do you think you are?
I think I'm an innocent girl.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Yes.
Do you know where he went?
I think he has gone to lunch.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I do.
Do you think I'm handsome?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you think I'm to blame?
No, you're innocent.
Do you think I'm too tall?
No, you're perfect.
How many kids do you have?
I'm single.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink tea.
Where do I get the subway?
At the front station.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he lives in Chicago.
Do you think it's my fault?
No, it's her fault.
How long do I have to wait?
About 2 hours.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6 a.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I am good at tennis.
Do I have to study?
Yeah, you have to study a lot for better results.
Why did he run away?
I think he's a thief.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm in danger.
Does he go to work by bus?
No, he has a private car.
Does your dog bite?
Yes, but not always.
Why did he quit his job?
Because he will start a business.
Do you know why she's so angry?
Because he is very angry since childhood.
Why did you say such a thing?
Because I'm in fear.
Does Nancy want to have a dog?
Yes, it's his hobby.
Why didn't you call me last night?
Because I fell asleep last night.
Does she like oranges?
Yes, she loves to eat oranges.
Where did you get the pain?
I got neck pain.
What time does your plane depart?
My flight is at 6 p.m.
Does he live here?
Yes, with her parents.
What does she have for a living?
She has a lot of money for a living.
When does it begin?
It begins at 7 p.m.
What does this mean?
It means she loves you.
When does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives at 4 p.m.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English very well.
Does Jenny like strawberries?
Yes, she loves strawberries.
Does she speak French?
No, she doesn't speak French.
How does he go to the market?
He goes to the market by car.
What does your brother do?
He is a software developer.
Does it hurt when you chew?
Yes, even sometimes it bleeds.
Does that price include tax?
Yes.
Does this cap belong to you?
No.
Does Jenny always carry a gun?
Yes, she always carries a gun for security.
How many books does he have?
He has over 100 books.
What time does hockey begin?
It starts at 10 a.m.
What time does the club open?
The club opens at 10 a.m.
What time does the first train leave?
The first train leaves at 6 a.m.
Does he know that you love him?
Yes, we love each other.
Does he study English every day?
Yeah.
Does it snow much in the winter?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Why don't we go home?
Because I'm at my friend's house.
Why don't you come in?
Actually, I'm waiting for someone. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!